Now, physical properties of halogens. If you see very clearly, fluorine and chlorine gases at room temperature, whereas bromine, red brown liquid, iodine, violet solid, all this is taking place at room temperature. What is the reason? Why the physical state is changing from gases to solids? When you move down the group, atomic size increases, which means the ease of polarization of outer shell electrons by adjacent nuclei also increases. What is the meaning of this? As a result of this, greater intermolecular forces which means I say attractive forces, therefore due to the attractive forces, intermolecular forces in the sense attractive forces increases, therefore fluorine and chlorine exist as gases, bromine liquid and iodine solid. Then actually the halogens are volatile in nature. Halogens are generally volatile. Volatility means not only gases, even liquid bromine can get converted to vapor easily, and solid iodine also sublimes easily at room temperature. Without melting, it sublimes. What is the reason means? Due to weak van der Waals forces of attraction.